This is the Vision Car Wash 2007. They're all scrubbing away. That's Amber and Mike. And there's Danny and Jean. SJ ordering people. Young Chic also. Doing a very efficient job. There's Hendrik. Our goal is to get every car done in under 5 minutes, so we've been being timed for a while. Don't know if that's been working out. Then there's the group of people that are really, really productive. AKA, they just kind of stand there. But that's okay, because I think they're drying people, actually, yeah. They have towels.